Assalamu alaikum students. Sumaira Wasim is here from F6 Fort Road. Today we will discuss the topic volcanism of grade 7 week 5. Dear students, the objective of today's lessons is given: what is volcano, classification of volcano, active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes, distribution of volcanoes around the world. These are the things which we will learn today. First of all, we will see that what is volcano. Definition: volcano, vent in the crust of the earth or another planet or satellite from which issues eruption of molten rock, hot rock fragments and hot gases. Classification of the volcanoes. There are three types of the volcanoes. Number 1, active volcanoes. Number 2, dormant volcanoes. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. Let's see what is active volcano. An active volcano is a volcano that has had at least one eruption during the past 10,000 years. An active volcano might be erupting or dormant. Example: Eta LA, Ethiopia. The most active volcano in Ethiopia and one of the rarest in the world. It has not one but two lava lakes. Eta LA suspiciously translates to smoking mountain and has a reputation as one of the harshest environment in the entire world. The last major eruption was in 2008, but the lava lakes are in constant flow year round. Look at the diagram. This will help you out to see the volcano, active volcano. Number 2 is dormant volcano. From the name, it is clear that it is not active. A dormant volcano is an active volcano that is not erupting but supposed to erupt again. Clear? It is an active but it is not erupting and it is supposed that it can erupt again. Example: Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano in the Hawaiian island. It is the highest point in Hawaii at 4,205 meters. If measured from top to bottom below sea level, it is 10,200 meters high and would be the tallest mountain in the world. It is around 1 million years old. Mauna Kea means white mountain. Why it is called white mountain? Because in winter it often has snow at the summit. Let's see the diagram or picture of the Mauna Kea. This white mountain is the Mauna Kea. Why it is white? Due to the snow. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. What is extinct volcanoes? An extinct volcano has not had an eruption for at least 10,000 years and is not expected to erupt again in a comparable timescales of the future. Now let's see the example of extinct volcano. Mount Buninyong in Australia. Mount Buninyong is the large extinct volcano 15 kilometers southeast of the Ballarat, Victoria, Australia. The 745 meters volcano is on the western Victorian volcanic plains. The scoria cone of the volcano is more than 200 meters high than the land around it, which makes it on one of the biggest scoria volcanoes in Victoria. It has a deep central crater. The volcano erupted several times, and during one eruption, the west side of the volcano was breached. In later eruptions, the lava flowed through this gap in the side. It is possible that the breach was actually another crater. G. Students, see the picture of the extinct volcano. Distribution of the volcanoes around the world. This is another important point. You must know that where the volcanoes are in the world. The distribution of the volcanoes in the geography means where are volcanoes located around the world. In this image of the world, all the small red triangles represented a volcano. This is the distribution of the volcanoes around the world. One of the famous distributions of the volcanoes in the Ring of the Fire, which is the name for the ring of the volcanoes circling the Pacific Ocean. Recap. Dear students, today we have learnt the definition of the volcano, classification of the volcanoes. There are three types of the volcanoes: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes, and in the end we have seen in the map the distribution of the volcanoes around the world. I hope you had understood all the concept of the week 5 geography assignment through this video. If still you have any query, you may ask. Thank you.